Toluene is a clear, colorless, fast-evaporating aromatic hydrocarbon solvent, renowned for its exceptional dissolving power and versatility across a wide range of industrial applications. With its ability to dissolve paints, coatings, adhesives, resins, wools, rubbers, and numerous organic compounds, toluene has become an indispensable chemical in manufacturing, automotive, construction, printing, and chemical processing industries. It is extensively used as a solvent in the production of paints, lacquers, varnishes, inks, and coatings, where it improves application properties, enhances product consistency, and supports smooth, high-quality finishes. In the adhesives and sealants industry, toluene helps dissolve polymers and resins, enabling the production of durable, high-performance bonding products. The automotive sector relies on toluene for cleaning components, preparing surfaces before painting, and manufacturing automotive coatings and specialty fluids. It is also widely employed in rubber processing, leather finishing, textile printing, and plastic manufacturing due to its excellent compatibility with a variety of materials. Beyond its role as a solvent, toluene serves as an important raw material in chemical synthesis, contributing to the production of dyes, pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, polymers, and numerous other industrial chemicals. Its rapid evaporation rate and consistent performance make it ideal for applications requiring efficient, drying and precise formulation. However, because toluene is a highly flammable liquid, and its vapors can pose health risks if improperly handled, it should always be used with appropriate personal protective equipment, adequate ventilation, and strict adherence to established safety procedures. Combining outstanding solvent strength, manufacturing versatility, and reliable performance, toluene continues to play a critical role in supporting efficient industrial production and the development of high-quality products across countless sectors worldwide.